Hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're the first to know when I post a new video. Sorry, my voice is not that good. I have flu, but I just needed to do this video. So today's video is on some of the wild fruits that we have in Zambia. We actually have a lot, but I just had to pick on those that I found available. So I'm going to be telling you their names in our Zambian local language. And if you know them by a different name, please feel free to share in the comment section below. So these ones are called mabuyu. They're very nice. You can actually make juice out of them. Yes. And they produce very nice and thick juice. These ones are called amakoli. Yes. They're nice and sweet. These ones are called ifisongole. They are nice and sweet as well. And if you break it, the inside looks like that. Very nice. These ones are called impondo. I know them as impondo. I don't know what you call them in your language, but I know them as impondo. These ones are masao. We call them masao. They are nice, either fresh or dry. They are nice either way. These ones are called masuku, and when you break it, the inside looks like that. These ones are called imfungo. They're very nice. I was actually surprised that they're also red ones. Yes, but they're nice. Okay, so that's all I had for you. Tell me what you think about this video in the comment section below. And if you like my video, please like and share.